everyone, it's Dr. Dalton with Seven Bridges Chiropractic. I'm here with one of my patients, Morgan. Morgan came to me earlier this week. She has a couple different conditions that make her extra mobile, and she's got, I'll actually have Lauren, who's videoing, show you how off her feet get with her hips. So she is one that I would probably say that we need to get an image done to see if there is a structural leg length deficiency, because it is pretty far off. But we're going to treat her. You'll see kind of head to toe. Are you still having the upper pressure in your neck?
Not as much.
Okay, good. So we did the lift move that a lot of you love to see the other day with her, because she had a lot of pressure on that left side, which was not something normal for her. That was just kind of come on. But she's originally from Michigan and just down for a week to visit. So we're going to get her all fixed up today. And is there anything I'm missing? Anything you think they need to know? All right. Well, enjoy. Go ahead and hit the little bell so you get the notifications on Wednesdays for our newest videos that come out. Hit the subscribe button and comment below anything else you'd like to see. How was your nice relaxing day yesterday?
It was really nice. I made macaroons.
Oh yeah, how were the macaroons?
Good.
What flavor did you make of macaroons?
I made mint chocolate with the chocolate
Ooh. Did Des have all the products for you, or did you have to go buy stuff?
No, she went and bought them.
You're still tight through up there.
Mm-hmm.
We'll have to get you a chiropractor back in Michigan. That's closer to you. Look all the way to the right. Good, all the way to the left. Is it easier going one way versus the other?
It's easier to go to my right.
Yeah, I definitely could tell that. I don't know if you guys can see that in the range of motion, but go ahead and look to the right for me first. And then let your body lay back on me and look right, and let your head fall here. Good. And then same thing going the other way. Awesome. Now go on your back for me. How off you are. So you can see her leg length. See how far off her feet are? And we'll rotate the video too so that you can see it when she's face down. It evens out just a little bit. But yeah, so we'll do that at the very end as well and show you the changes with her leg length. That's one of the bigger ones that we've seen in our office. And so it's kind of interesting to see how much chiropractic can change that. So what's on the agenda today?
I think we're gonna go around Jack's a little bit.
Yeah.
We'll go shopping.
Nice. There's a couple of really cute boutiques right here in San Marco.
Sweet.
And then you guys should go over to Riverside and Avondale.
Okay.
And I was telling Rem, there's like a odd sculpture over by Sweet Pete's.
Oh, okay.
That is like a giant mouth you can walk through.
Interesting. Sweet Pete's is that candy shop, right?
Yeah. You can go and actually watch them make chocolate.
Oh, that's cool.
Let that go there. Go. Morgan, slide down just a little bit so your shoulders are at the top of my hands. Good. Crisscross here. And then go on your side facing me. And then on your other side. And then go on your back one more time for me. That's really nice. So you can, now if you look, you can see she's much more even. She's got just a little bit off there still, but we'll check it when she's face down as well. Go ahead and roll over for me.
That feels so good.
I love these little massage guns. They're just a good overall, like, just for loosening tight muscles. And now we can see when she's on her belly, it's more dramatic than when she's on her stomach. And if we bend her feet here, they're nice and even now. And when we take them up here, they're nice and even as well. So definitely evens her out way more than when she comes in, which is really impressive. But like I said, with how uneven she got in, 3 days? That would be something that we would look into, would be doing like a full spine x-ray to be able to measure the leg length difference. Awesome. You are good to come on up. Move around, see how that's feeling. Probably much better with those hips.
Yeah.
Awesome.
A lot more even now.
All right. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.